Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that joint entrance examination for master degree is a very important examination in India for those students who want to join IITs for their to pursue their master degree courses. This is the question number 9 from section A. So let's see what is in this question. The technique that involves impacting samples with electron is what? We need to find the right answer among these four given options. Okay. As we know that electrospray ionization or ESI is a technique used in mass electrospray. ESI is a technique used in mass electrospray to produce ions using an electrospray in which a high voltage is applied to a liquid to create an aerosol. In which a high voltage is applied to a liquid to create an aerosol. Okay. It is especially useful in producing ions from macromolecules because it overcomes the propensity of these molecules to fragment when ionized. Therefore, it is useful because in producing ions from macromolecule, as it overcomes the propensity of this molecule to fragment when ionized. ESI is very different from other ionization process. For example, matrix assisted laser ionization, or which can be abbreviated as MALDI, matrix assisted ionization. Okay. Matrix assisted laser ionization, and since it may produce multiple charged ions, effectively extending the mass range of the analyzer to accommodate the KDA-MDA order to magnitude observed in proteins and their associated polypeptide fragments. Mass spectrometry using ESI is called electrospray ionization mass spectrometry, or which can be abbreviated as ESIMS, or less commonly electrospray mass spectrometry, or ESMS. ESIMS or ESMS. Okay, ESI is so-called soft ionization technique since there is very little fragmentation. This can be advantageous in the sense that the molecular ion is always observed. However, very little structural information can be gained from can be gained from the simple mass spectrum obtained. Okay, therefore the right answer of this question is option B, that is ESI mass spectrometry. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.